Today I'm going to show you how to measure land on Google Maps. This is incredibly useful whether you're planning a property purchase, checking the size of a plot, or just curious about land dimensions in your area. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. This takes you directly to Google Maps, where you can access all the measurement tools we'll need. Make sure you're signed in to get the full functionality, though it's not strictly required for this task. Once you're on Google Maps, you'll need to find the specific land you want to measure. Use the search bar to type in an address or location, or simply navigate manually by clicking and dragging the map. When you've located your land, zoom in as much as possible to get a clear, detailed view. The more precise your zoom level, the more accurate your measurement will be, so take your time positioning the map until the boundaries of the land are clearly visible. Now comes the key step. Right-click on one corner of the land you want to measure. A menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Measure Distance. This activates Google Maps measurement tool, and you'll notice a white dot appears exactly where you clicked. This is your starting point, and from here you'll begin marking the perimeter of the land. Next, move your cursor to the next corner of the land and left-click. A line will appear connecting your first dot to this new point. Continue this process by left-clicking on each subsequent corner of the land, working your way around the entire perimeter. You'll see lines connecting each point, essentially outlining the shape of the land you're measuring. Keep going until you've marked all the corners. Here's the important part. Make sure the last dot you place connects back to the very first dot you created. This closes the shape and allows Google Maps to calculate the enclosed area. When the shape is fully closed, you've completed the outline of your land. Now look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a small information box displaying two key measurements, total area and total distance. The total area shows you the size of the land in square meters or square feet, depending on your settings. The total distance shows the perimeter measurement, telling you the total length around the land. These figures give you a complete understanding of the land's dimensions. And that's it. You've successfully measured land using Google Maps. This tool is remarkably accurate for general planning purposes and saves you the hassle of physical measurements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.